Many people have asked me about the third hand helper here for soldering and stuff. And pretty much it's really simple. I got this from eBay. I think they're called radiator or something, flexible hoses, something like that. We'll put a link in the description. I think I got a package of 6. I'm only using 5 right now. And as you can see, I put a magnifying glass, heavy piece of wood with some glue some foam under it so it won't be on a slippery surface. Be pretty much steady. And as you can see, the thing won't move at all. It stays very stable. Got plenty of space to work inside. Got a propeller clipper there. And like I said, this won't move at all. You can drop it and it stays in one place. So you can do your soldering and not worry about stuff falling and moving around. Everything works perfect. So not bad. I think I spent less than $10 on this. Maybe like $6, $7, somewhere around that. Just drill a couple of holes, screw them in, use some hot glue maybe to keep it in place. Not needed, but I use some hot glue anyway, so that's it.